Sorry, there's somebody out there. Just like... Hi everyone, Katie Willie with Velours Floral Design. Today I'm going to be talking about a horizontal style centerpiece. And this centerpiece is basically, like it says, it's kind of spreads out horizontally from its container, and everything else is very uniform to the arrangement, which you will see. So the only things you will need for this arrangement are a pot. I'm using I believe it's a 4-inch pot diameter, and floral foam inside. If you're going to be having it travel, I would cross tape it along the top. And then we've got our clippers. If you guys enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And without any further ado, let's get started. So the first thing I started out with is this little sketch. I made this for a workshop that I did that you can see right there. And it's got 4 steps to this basic arrangement. So first I'm going to start with some ivy for my horizontal length. I'm going to put one on each side and add a little bit of greenery around it to add to the length on either side. Then step 2 is add your skeleton, which is just some greenery to fill in space and start to build that overall shape that we desire. Alright, so step 3 is your focal flowers. I'm just using these beautiful David Austin roses that I got at Farmhouse Flowers in Cottonwood, California. Then, so I'm just going to add them until I'm satisfied, really. I'm adding those poppies in the same direction a little bit longer as my horizon to just add a little bit to my horizon. Then I'm going to come in and begin on step 4, which is your filler flowers. And I'm using a rice flower right here just to really just come in between those focal flowers, because I don't want to fill that space with more focal flowers because they have too much weight to them, and some space for the eye to move through the arrangement is really beneficial in arrangements like this. You want to leave a little bit of negative space, but you still want to hide your mechanics underneath, and so fillers are really airy, beautiful ways to do that. If you guys are interested in more information about how to put a design like this together, you can go to my website, www.veloursdesigns.com, and click on the flower link, and I will have a blog post up about the workshop that I did, and there will be instructions over there as well as this video if you want to watch it again. So yeah. Well, here it is done, you guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I also have a Pinterest at Velours Designs, Instagram at Velours Designs, Facebook, if you guys want to follow me in those places too. And yeah.